Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to bundle your products in like a pack or one bundle. So, how you can do that, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. First of all guys, let's think of a bundle. Let's say for example that you are going to sell like for example a phone with AirPods. So, let's search for an image like that. Let's go for example to here iPhone plus AirPods in one image. So let's see if we can find something like that. Here we go. So I can actually download this image. So here we go. Download it, save it as JPEG, and then let me go to my website. Here, guys, in your dashboard, make sure that you have WooCommerce in the first place. So go to plugins, and then from plugins, search for your WooCommerce and install it. Now let's go for product to create our new product. So here we go. We have a bundle. So let's create this as product. So iPhone plus AirPods, and what I'm going to do is keep it like that. Here I can add the image, so add media, upload file, and I'm going to drag this over here and insert the image. Here I will put it in the middle, and the same thing here, I will add the image over here, and like that everything is good. So let's say that the AirPods with the iPhone is actually 1,000 or 1,200, so something like that. So we are going to make a bundle here to make a promotion, so or a discount. So what are you doing to do is actually make a discount. So here we go. So it's gonna be from 1,200 to 800, just like that. I'm going to add a new category, which is bundle one. Here we go. So bundle one, add new category, and all I'm going to do is basically just publish it. And now if I click on permalink to view it, here it is. So iPhone X Plus AirPods from 1,200 to 800. You can add it to cart. Here it is, the category. It is the description. Here you can add the full description and do whatever you like. So I guess that's how you can make a bundle. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.